I was not going to do another scoop video, but I ordered one more color scoop from Enailcouture, and this is what I got. What is this? We got to talk about this. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I got to tell you about my scoop experience here. So I went ahead and ordered some color scoops. Took 3-4 days to get here. Couldn't open it for another 3 days because I was out of town. Thursday, got it, opened it up, and said, what the hell is this? So I said, I know that these are all not one color. First of all, hold on, let's back up. First of all, I didn't get 25. You're supposed to get 25 now. Didn't get 25, got 17. And I flipped all of them around, color 152. I said, okay, well, it's a pretty color and everything, but I'm not about to do 17 bottles of the same polish. What am I going to do with 17 bottles of the same polish? What am I going to do with that? So, heard that their customer service was trash. Thursday night, I sent a polite email, sent photos of what I got, and geared up and got ready for war, because I wasn't about to do this. I know the scoops are a mystery box, but this just wasn't going to do it. We weren't doing this. So I sent my email, and I booted up and got ready for war, because I knew that they was either not going to respond to me, or they was going to say something crazy, and then we had to go in. But my email was polite. So I sent my email, knowing I wasn't going to hear from them Thursday night, because it was night. Didn't think I would hear back from them till like Monday. Friday morning, as soon as I woke up, I had an email saying, hey, we apologize. You know, something must have got mixed up there. We apologize. We're going to send out a replacement scoop for you in the morning. I said, okay, cool. I didn't have to go to war with them about this. And by Monday morning, I had this. I said, okay, this is more like it. So I'm so glad that that went well, and oh, I was just ready, baby. I was ready. I said, they not about to do me like this and then ignore me. I just thought they was going to ignore me and this was going to turn into a whole shit show, but they actually took care of me very quickly. So I really appreciate it. So the price of the color scoops have went up. When I bought these, they were still, what, $65? And then I had a discount code with that, so paid 40 something. They are now $99. Max already said that he sold out of all of the old bottles. I think some of the colors are still there. Well, I know some of the colors are still there. All these here are still on the site, and all these here are still on the site. These, I think, have been discontinued. So we're going to swatch these super quick. So we're going to start off with these. These are still on the site. They range from $7.99 to $9.99 each. If you don't purchase them in a scoop. So we're gonna try to do one coat of each. This is number 212. I think I got this color. Hold on, do I got this color? Yep, I got this color. I love it. So this is number 212, a gorgeous gold. Color 189, a pretty pink with shimmeries. Number 203, this crazy purple brownish color. Number 208, brown with shimmers. Little shimmers. And number 176. And 180. And this is 179. Let's quickly swatch all of the colors that I don't think is available on the site anymore. It may be, you know, I don't do too good. I got ADD. I can't just like keep looking for stuff and look for stuff for too long. I get frustrated. But these ones I couldn't find, so I don't know. And 188, number 80, number 8. She's a beaut, isn't she? Oh, fuck, I got two 180s, huh? Yep. Well, got a double. All right. Bam, number 10. Interesting color, huh? All right, now I'm gonna show you two colors that are similar, but they're not the same. This is 186 and this is 156. They're similar but not the same. This is the shimmery version of this, number 156. This is number 186. That's pretty, huh? And then we have 8 polishes from the Fun Gel collection, but one is a little different. I'll show you when we get there. All right, let's run through these real quick. We got 132, Pal, pretty blue color. 27, lovely green. 26, glitter gold. 35, sparkling silver. 29, dazzling purple. 34, 33, whatever this color may be. And this is the different one I was telling you about, number 9. Number 9 is still Fun Gel, but it says 3-in-1 Magic Ink Collection, Soak Off Nail Gel Color Changing Mood Gel, Polish Temperature Changing. Ooh, it's this pink color. Now it says temperature changing, so let's change the temperature around this joint. It's cold anyway. Let me get my blow dryer. So this is our color before. Pow. Woo! Oh, that's cool. that was cool. Okay. Oh, look, the color's coming back. Oh, hold on. If I fan it, I really hit it with heat. Oh, the color's back! That's cute. Okay. Sometimes it's the simple things in life. I didn't really plan on doing a set, but I want to use some of these colors. So I'm going to start off with XXL Frozen Coffin. This is my model, Wiggiana. I'm going to formally introduce her in a future video, but she's in a rush today. So I don't use glue or anything on my practice hands. I just take whatever tip I'm going to use, throw it on in here, or if you have extra tips, just throw it on in there and then cut it down. And then I glue my tips to here. So I'm not going to prep the nail or anything. This is just to do a quick design. It's a practice hand. She'll be okay. So this is the clear bubblegum gel by Enail. And I'm just gonna adhere the nails like so. Take care of that. And these are such pretty nails. I think I want to use this color they accidentally sent me, 152. I have absolutely no plan in mind for what I'm doing here. I'm just going. We're not gonna overthink this. And I'm gonna skip that ring cam because I'm gonna skip the ring finger because I don't really know what I'm doing yet. But I always do something with my ring and my thumb. So I think I just do something with the ring. And we'll throw on this color here. It's a pretty color, but it feels like there's something in it. Seems like there's, I don't know, some kind of particle or something in it. I wonder if these still on the side. All right, we cured that coat. Throw on the second one. Now, we could leave it like this. It is so pretty. But we're gonna be extra. Let's go. take that color, put it at the base. And let's go diagonally, I don't know. That could have been smoother. Then I'm gonna get that purple. Oh, that's a glob, ain't it? Get that ombre brush and try to just go back and forth, one color into the other, try to get it to come together. Oh, that's a lot right there. I should remove that, huh? I'll do it in a second. I mean, kinda. Got that green right here. That's a pretty green. And then try to put the purple and green together with a different ombre brush. I'll take out some of that purple. That was just way too much. Try to get that blended in it. So that was the first coat. Let's do another one. Some more of that blue. The blue got little shimmeries in it. You can't see. A little more of that purple. A little more of that green. Get my ombre brush and try to blend that on into each other. You know, I ain't never used this brush before. Not really. I think I need to practice a little bit. But that's what we're here for. And put the green on it and that purple a little bit. And then I got these green stones and then blue stones. Put a little glue with the cuticle. Put a blue stone in the middle, a green on the other side, and I got a purple. And take some caviar beads and fill in these little fill in a little areas there. And I think I get a closer shot on the ring nail. Maybe not. Sorry, could have got a little closer there, huh? But I'm just doing the same thing to every nail. And after I put it on, as you saw, I did a little flash cure on each one, and I'll cure it all at the end. And I just show each one. I had the time with them little caviar beads, but I got them on there. And hit that thumb real quick. Oh, now that's coming along. Hit it with a top coat pal. missed a whole spot right there. And take some of this blue real quick. I mean, how I missed that whole chunk? Let's throw some of that blue right there, cover that up a little bit, make it try to look like something. Oh, that's a hoop. Finish putting a top coat on everything. So what do we think? I think they came out okay. They look good. They're all right. Considering I didn't have anything in mind to do, just throw them together. They look pretty good. This color here, for some reason, wasn't smooth. It was lumpy. It has lumps in it. But if you made it this far along in the video, you might as well like and subscribe. But thank you for coming on my journey, my struggle journey. And you have a good day. Bye.